Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
My name is Eric Weston, and I think it's a great show going on today. Jessalyn is an amazing artist, and it's my first time to an art show, and I just wanted to, I guess I could show the picture that I bought, and I think it's gorgeous, and I just thought I would, make this the first one that I ever bought. And the whole setup is very good. She does an excellent job. I think I probably already mentioned that. And I look forward to seeing any more shows that she possibly might have in the near future.
Hi, my name is Jeff Schreiber. This is my first art show ever. I'm coming to support Jessalyn. I saw her artwork, and she sent me a private message on Facebook telling me this was, she just picked up doing art for the first time ever, and I was amazed at how fast she had become so talented and so quick, and so I just came to support her today, and love her work.
I was on a path in one direction in one life, doing something monotonous, what I thought was monotonous. And then I picked up a paintbrush and it changed my life. So a lot of my paintings have paths in them, and they represent that sometimes you're on a path but you don't always know where it's going to take you. This one is a tribute piece of my show, Illumination. It's filled with light. It has a blue light. I did iridescent paint, and it's one of my favorite paints, which is a cherry tree.